No one tells men this. After 25, life stops being forgiving. Your body doesn't bounce back. Your time disappears. Your excuses stop working. And slowly, quietly, most men start losing. Not because they are weak, not because they are unlucky, but because they stop living with discipline. At 18, mistakes are lessons. At 22, mistakes are experiences. But after 25, mistakes become patterns. This is the age where discipline decides who rises and who disappears. Let's talk about the real reasons men fall apart and how to fix them. Habit 1. Comfort becomes the priority. After 25, comfort feels earned. Late nights, junk food, no routine. Real problem. Men start protecting comfort instead of building strength. Solution. Schedule discomfort daily. Train when tired. Wake up early. Do hard things on purpose. Men don't lose because life is hard. They lose because life becomes too easy. Habit 2. Chasing validation instead of skills. Likes, attention, approval. Many men spend years trying to look successful instead of becoming useful. Real problem. Validation gives dopamine, not progress. Solution. Build silent skills. Skills that pay. Skills that compound. Skills no one claps for. The world doesn't reward vibes. It rewards value. Habit 3. Weak control over time. After 25, time becomes expensive, yet most men waste it like they're still teenagers, scrolling, gaming, drifting. Real problem. No structure, no ownership of time. Solution. Create non-negotiable blocks. One block for health, one for money, one for learning. Discipline with time is respect for your future self. Habit 4. Avoiding responsibility. Many men blame the economy, their past, their family, their luck. Real problem. They refuse full ownership. Solution. Accept brutal responsibility. Not fair responsibility, not shared responsibility, total responsibility. The moment you stop blaming, power returns. Habit 5. Living without a code. After 25, drifting is deadly. No standards, no rules, no discipline code. Solution. Create a personal code. What you tolerate, what you never miss, what you refuse to become. Men without a code are controlled by emotion. Men with a code control their life. Most men don't lose suddenly. They lose slowly, silently, comfortably. But discipline changes everything. You don't need motivation. You need structure, standards, daily execution. No one is coming to save you. No noise, only discipline.